Hello, everyone. I'm Patricia Kaufman, the co-founder and communications director of CLL Society, reminding you that the CLL Society is here to help with our patient-friendly, physician-curated website, webinars, educational forums, video interviews, articles, programs, and services. Whether you are newly diagnosed or have been a CLL patient for a very long time, our learning tools will meet you at any stage of your CLL journey. CLL patients are living longer than ever. CLL treatments are better than ever. We provide these services to help you advocate for the best possible care for your CLL because we believe that smart patients get smart care. From the outset of the COVID-19 pandemic, CLL Society has realized the seriousness of this threat to our vulnerable, immune-compromised CLL patients. There is a special section on our website devoted to COVID-19 news, our latest official statements reflecting on that news, as well as on-demand recordings of our multiple COVID-19 virtual community meetings. The importance of predictive testing before treatment for CLL cannot be overstated. CLL Society offers a handy test before treat one-pager highlighting the most important predictive tests. Results of these tests give us information about the biology of the disease, which in turn helps us predict which therapies will and won't work. Download this test before treat one-pager and use it as a conversation starter with your physician. CLL Society covers all the major hematology conferences, interviewing the leading CLL researchers to keep you updated on the latest clinical trials, delivering up-to-date information concerning credible cutting-edge treatment options, and explaining what this research means to CLL patients. Since CLL brings its own vocabulary, we demystify the CLL terminology in our glossary of terms and cut the confusion in our pages on acronyms and abbreviations so that you can better understand the language of CLL. No need to be frustrated or in the dark. Look it up on our site. Have you received your lab results from your healthcare provider, but you don't know what they mean? To help you get your bearings, we suggest that you download our lab results spreadsheet and begin looking for trends. If you have not yet attended one of our CLL-specific support groups, don't spend another month alone. Let us connect you with other CLL patients and caregivers through one of our CLL support groups, which meet monthly across the United States. If you do not have access to a CLL expert and are concerned that you may not be receiving the best care for your CLL, please apply to our Expert Access Program for a no-cost second opinion from a CLL expert. In order to qualify, you must have a diagnosis of CLL, live in the United States, and not be in the care of a CLL expert. And finally, stay in the know and look forward to Tuesdays. Visit our website and sign up to receive our Tuesday weekly alerts to get the kind of knowledge that strengthens your ability to advocate for your best possible care for your CLL. And now, because we know that sometimes you just need a little comic relief, I will read our CAR-T comic book, The Amazing Transformation of CAR-T. If you are considering CAR-T therapy, share this simple introduction with family, friends, co-workers, and little ones. Thank you. The Amazing Transformation of CAR-T, the story of change from exhausted T-cell to life-saving superhero. Hi, I'm a blood cell. In fact, I'm a special blood cell. I'm a lymphocyte. Not just any lymphocyte. I'm a T-cell. I'm the captain of the immune system. I live inside the blood, bone marrow, and lymph nodes of a wonderful person and help protect him against germs and cancer. But my person seems to be sick. My cousins, the B lymphocytes, or B cells for short, have grown too much, crowding out the bone marrow and leaving little room for the healthy blood cells to mature, and making my person sicker and sicker. And it is affecting me too. I feel exhausted myself and can't do my work. I'm suspicious that these new B cells are not behaving normally. Not only are they growing in the bone marrow and swelling the lymph nodes, they are all identical. They are clonal, and they have quit doing their job as part of the immune system. They have become traitors to my person. They have become cancerous. My person has developed CLL, or chronic lymphocytic leukemia, and these new CLL cells are very clever at hiding from me. I need some help in recognizing them, and I am so tired. I think it is their bad influence. I have let my person down. Wait a minute, I'm being pulled out of my person, and now I'm being spun around like crazy. And to add insult to injury, I'm being attacked by viruses that are inserting new messages into my DNA, my instructional code. I'm changed. I'm transformed, focused, powerful. I am part me, part another creature, like the ancient mythical chimera that was part lion, part goat, and part snake. In my case, it's part human and part virus. The virus is helping me to build a new receptor to recognize a marker on the surface of B cells, CD19. I am a Chimeric Antigen Receptor T-cell, or CAR-T, as I like to be called. My new CAR has a target element, spacer, transmembrane domain, co-stimulatory domain, and signaling domain to supercharge me. And now I'm being stimulated to reproduce. Though I am not inside my person, I am in the perfect incubator to grow. There must be millions of identical copies of me, and they keep checking to make sure that I'm healthy. But where is my person? I'm still outside my person. Unbeknownst to CAR-T, back in his person, chemotherapy has been busy obliterating large numbers of competing lymphocytes to increase the safety of CAR-T's imminent return. Weeks have passed. But wait, I'm on the move again. What's going on? I'm being injected back into my person. Oh, I need to rest after all this travel, and I need to get used to being back inside my person's body. Sometime later. I've never felt stronger. I'm ready to grow again and be on the move. And I have superpowers. Those cancerous B cells can't hide from me now. We CAR-T cells are ready to attack. Bam! Bam! It's a killing frenzy. Uh-oh. My person is feeling sick again. Maybe we overdid it. There's inflammation everywhere. Maybe my person is one of those who releases too many strong signals called cytokines to engage the immune system. Those cytokines, while helping kill the cancer, can make a person very ill sometimes. This is called cytokine release syndrome, CRS. Sometimes CRS can make the person feel loopy or have trouble talking or even have seizures, lose consciousness, and in worst cases die from brain swelling. This is called neurotoxicity, and most people recover quickly. But now the drugs that are being injected into my person are calming the inflammation. I'm cooling down, and my person is feeling stronger. And most importantly, there are far fewer cancer cells. But my ongoing mission is to seek and destroy any stragglers until there are none left. That's what I was programmed to do. I hope to stay around for a very long time, maintaining my surveillance to keep my person healthy and free from leukemia. The end.